So now let's talk about calorie density. Okay, so if we are looking at calorie density, that is the number of calories in a given volume or the weight of the food. Okay, so it's not like it's comparing like an apple to a donut, right? You could have the same weight of an apple and a donut are not going to be the same amount of nutrients, right? So which has more nutrients, a salad with chicken or a Starbucks Frappuccino? Let's say they're both 500 calories. Which one has more nutrients?
Salad with chicken.
Correct. Okay. So this is where the macros versus calories is a little bit more dialed in, because you can really get better macros and better nutrients even though you're eating the same amount of calories. Okay. So if you're looking at this example, these are going to be the same exact calories, but this one has way more food, and this could last you all day, right? This one, we're going to eat faster, okay?
And be hungry soon.
Exactly, which is why it's easy to overeat when we eat food similar to something like this. So generally, this is going to have more protein and nutrients like fruits and vegetables, okay? Whereas this is going to be a little bit more carb and fat heavy, right? If you think about a Frappuccino, how many, I don't know what this is, some sort of Frappuccino thing, but you think of how many carbs and sugars are in that.
That's like drinking a milkshake.
Right, which are not giving us as many nutrients as the fruit that we're eating over here. Okay, does that make sense?
You just feel worse after too.
Correct. Because it's just crappier nutrients, right? So that's why you can eat totally different meals. Let's say your calorie goal is 1,600 calories. You can eat two totally different meals for the day, the star of the show down there, and be hungry and want to eat more, right? If I'm having this multiple times a day, I'm going to eat a lot more. It's going to be harder for me to fill up on something like this. That's why it's hard to fill up on a lot of chicken, a lot of broccoli, right? Nobody's overeating broccoli, okay? Because it's hard. It's filling us up. Same thing with chicken breasts or ground beef, right? It's a lot more filling and satiating.